Do 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 do. Whoa! This monkey look like the barbers. It could be. Oh, hello. How did Madge go with Duncan? That's good. Ooh, what is this? It's like a microphone. Hello, hello. Could be a guitar. Hold on, this is not a guitar or a microphone. It's not. What is this? This is a hairbrush. A hairbrush? What does it do? It can brush hair. I'll show you. I use the hairbrush to brush the hair, and then we just use it to comb it. See? Wow! I'm gonna see that again. Can you press the instant replay button on your remote?
Okay, she brushing her hair. Yeah, and straight line, yeah. Curve, and that how you brush your hair.
Wow, that's good. So this is not the barber shop? No, sorry. This is the hairbrush room. The hairbrush room? Yeah. Goodbye. We need a barber shop. Nope, I can use this hairbrush. So, aw, Ben, we need to do a haircut. Yeah, let me give you a nice haircut. I know. Can you please press the rewind button on your remote? Oh, why did we do that? Go see Freddy trying to find a new bell. Zip, 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 zip. Dingling, dingling. Freddy is one of the oldest mountain engines in Narrowgate Railway. They always say good job. One day, at the wall, James came in with the buy for the fin control new buy. You're running late, James. I'm doing perfect timing. And I had to go quicker. Look, there's no bell. Ha! The bicycle is okay, and you don't need a bell. It is. That way, everyone knows you're coming. This makes Freddy feel silly. I need to find a good bell. But Freddy don't be silly. Freddy has been finding a good bell. Freddy saw cows. Freddy have an idea. If maybe the cowbells would be a good bell for the fin controller. But soon, Freddy drove up the cowbell, and put it on the bike. Soon, Mighty Mac came up. Listen, Mighty Mac, look at this bell. The cows didn't notice. They're just too busy eating grass. Freddy felt more silly. I need something louder. He went to the station and he saw Cuffy the clown. Maybe Cuffy bells can be good. Cuffy put one of his bells on the bike. Sir Handel came up. Listen, Sir Handel, look at the bell. Oh, but the children noticed. Cuffy's bells didn't work. That's Sir Handel. Freddy felt more silly. He needed to find a good bell. Soon, Freddy needed to find a good bell. Then he saw, James, Sir Handel, and Mighty Mac are in the trunk. In the wall. I can't come back without a bell. I need to find a bell. Then he found the biggest bell at all. Wow, that could be the biggest bell ever. Soon, Sir Handel Freddy put the bell on. Then the bike went over, bells went everywhere. Soon, James, Pete, Sir Handel, and Mighty Mac hear the noise. Imagine we're going, all out of the big cat. All the bells been taken, and you must take it back where you found them. At the Freddie felt really silly. Then Thomas came up. What's wrong, Freddie? Freddie told Thomas about finding a bell. I can't find a good bell because I don't know anything about bicycle bells. Then Freddie noticed a new horn. Where do you got the new horn from? It's not new, it's old. They repainted and cleaned it out. That gave Freddie an idea. Maybe I have an idea. Soon, the fin controller thing is nearby, but he was upset. There's no bell! He said, yes there is. And the workman got the bell out of the fin control all by, and he rubbed it 2 times, and then it's shiny again. And it's Freddie, well done. Thank you, sir. But, sir, I had to make sure the bell. Sure, I need to know about bicycle bells. James was impressed. Thomas and his friends are playing a game in shed. There's Gordon. There's Emily. And there's James. Thomas needs to remember which friend is hiding in which shed. See, Gordon hiding in the first shed. Emily in the second shed. And James in the last shed. Gordon, Emily, and James. Who's in the first shed? Is Gordon, Emily, or James? Yeah, Gordon. Gordon in the first shed. Now, who's in the second shed? James or Emily? Yeah, Emily in the second shed. And now finally, who's in the last shed? James. James is in the last shed. Thomas have so much fun to guess which engine hiding which shed. Well done, all you. Oh, you've been more hairier, Ben. We gotta get you to the barber shop. I can't see with his hair. Hey, where's Punch Tom? I'm right here. Oh, hello. How did Freddie find a bell for Pete for the fin controller? That's good. I think it's over here, that way. Really, are you sure? Yeah, but you can't see with the hair over your face. Oh, I found it. What? You found the barber shop? There. Ben, it said this is not the barber shop. Look at the sign. It said no. Maybe the sign is wrong. Maybe this is the barber shop. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, okay, bring all the hair. Bring the hair in. Oh, and while we do that, go see Luke face his fear with the storm. Hold up. Here, Luke stormed through. Luke is a narrow gauge engine who liked to work. In the summertime, it's a good time. But one day, boom! The thunderstorm came. And Luke was scared. Soon, so Handel and Renee. Luke, I need your help. I'm the chief right there. I need you and your more cringy friend. Luke tells for this time. Okay. We'll help you. Yeah. Boom. Luke was scared. He's scared of thunder. The handle and Luke went up and down. Down. And then Luke was very he should be helping, but he's too scared. Soon, for Hannah and Luke, for Hannah and Renee, they were trying to get, but they're out of coal. Oh no, we're out of coal. Yep. Oh, Luke is. Hey, we didn't see you up there. Did you get more? Oh, no, I didn't get more sleep. I'm scared of thunder. Are you scared? Yep, I am. I must go down. My fault. Soon, Luke going up and down. But he didn't hear the thunder. He was too worried. Soon he made it. All the sheep. Hey, well done, Luke. Thank you. I'm doing my job. Then the fun came, Luke. So happy. Oh. Huh? This can't be the head. The barbers? Hello everybody! Welcome to the rock concert! We are Ben! Yay! How y'all doing? Woo! Woo! Yeah! Alright! And now, we're gonna press the G button. Can you please press the G button on your remote? Whoa! That's the upside down button. We want this thing upside down. No. Can you please press the right side up button? Oh, thank you. Okay. Now the thing. It's a very, very hairy, very, very hairy, not the very hairy, not the very hairy, very, very hairy, very hairy. We go with the barber shop. Oh, I totally forgot. How did Trocher Blue through the storm? That's good. Yeah. We should get back to this. Come on, let's go find the bar. Come on, Ben. Nope. I'm a thing with the constant. Come on, Ben. Can you please press the ring light button on your remote? Bye.